Welcome to the sport ground. I am your tour guide today. I am Candice and I am from class 1C. As you can see, here is the basketball court, and there are two basketball stands of course. Outside the basketball court, there are 5 tracks. It is about 100 meters long. The auditorium is for students to rest when they are having sports lesson. During the sports day, students can also enjoy the competition and cheer for their classmates on the auditorium. The sports day is not only the purpose of the sport ground. When there are fires, children and teachers in primary and secondary school will all gather at the sport ground. One interesting fact is there is a small garden next to the sport ground. You can see 4 Chinese words on the grass too.